Today we're at Candacraig House, about an hour's drive north of Aberdeen, and we're here as a result of Candacraig House winning the Miele Makeover hotel competition. We ran the Miele Makeover competition to bring awareness to hoteliers around the benefits of putting in a Miele laundry.
When I saw the competition, I thought, this is a chance in a lifetime, I'm going to enter this. So the process was I entered in 15 words or less. The challenge of being in a rural location, trying to run a luxury exclusive use venue and having to send all our laundry out. We have chosen a space in our basement that was just a storage space. The Miele system that we've chosen is stackable machines. The space that it's having to take up is really minimal. On the day of the installation, it was incredible how the team pulled it all together. They were able to get in the back door, which is right beside where our new laundry system's going. It was quite a big process. The team managed to pull it off without any hitches at all.
When you put everything together, the requirement for the quality, being in control, being able to use the machines when she needs to use the machines, and focusing on delivering a wonderful experience for her clients rather than spending 2 hours driving to and from a laundry, it ticks all of the boxes. And there was only going to be one clear winner, and it was Candacraig House.
It's actually going to revolutionise our business, and we just can't wait to switch the machines on and press go.